This is a C89 light steel villa frame forming machine. The design parameters are directly transmitted to the control computer through the USB interface or network, and the NC control software installed in the computer imports and automatically reads the BOM documents, and the production batch can be selected after import.plc, Panasonic, Relay, Schneider France, length encoder, Omron, servo motor, INVT. Total weight of the machine about 3 t. Total length of the machine about 4.3 m times 0.8 m times 1.0 m. Forming pass is 9 groups of spindle roll forming, aluminum wall panel structure. Main drive mode is servo motor of 7.5 kW, self-locking function. High production speed about high speed 30 m/min. Roller is imported material, DC53. CNC center machining, HRC 58-62 degree, fine grinding. Spindle is 40 cr quenched and tempered, fine grinding. Frame and roof truss die stamping are 8 stations, pipeline holes, web holes, small edge cuts, fixing holes, chamfers, web necking, shearing, nail socket bolt holes, etc. Inkjet printer is double nozzles, waist height on both sides, inkjet content can be set. The cutting method is hydraulic cutting. The blade material is imported tungsten steel. The hydraulic power is 5.5 kW. Hydraulic deck oiler. The function is a bearing belt coil and a rotating coil. It has a miniature braking device that prevents inertial forward operation during an emergency shutdown.